Welcome to the Learning Well. We offer classes and workshops in health and wellness, personal and professional development, and continuing education. At the Learning Well, we believe everyone deserves to feel safe, loved, and respected for who they are. Our inclusive learning and support community is built on proven activities that build awareness and skills. We ensure confidentiality and follow a code of ethics you can trust in the quality and impact of our learning opportunities. A service of the Clinica, the Learning Well uses facilitators who are leaders in their fields. Join us at the Learning Well, where you'll find convenient, credible care tailored to each individual and designed to build a stronger community. Register online for a class or workshop today and take the first step toward feeling better, being seen, and understood.